Bonus projects, anybody? Perfect to add to your memory folios, mini albums, large 12 by 12 albums, scrapbook layouts, whatever you wish. They're great. There's the hidden journal tag. Perfect for hiding your journaling away if you don't like your writing. So quite easy to make with those journal tags that you can get in so many paper collections at the moment. There's the card tag. Perfect for adding a gift card, but also for using for additional photographs in your projects. There's the crisscross tag. All these nice big tags for adding photographs, all on there. There's another one in the back here, nice big size. Get those 6x4 photos printed out and being able to use them, but keeping everything nice and flat to pop in your projects. We've got the hidden tag, or the tag pocket if you like. Again, nice big spaces for your 6x4 photos. You don't have to put the window inside, but in here another 4 spaces for photographs. So another addition, another bonus project that you can add to your arsenal when you're making mini albums and things. So we've got the file tag. I love this again, nice big spaces for 6x4 photographs, big photo mats, that's what we love. You know, pull out tags with extra spaces for more photographs, memorabilia. Don't forget to pop your photographs on the back there as well. Lots of space. That's your file tag. We've got the multi-tag, nice and flat, great again for a couple of 6x4 photographs, slightly trimmed down, but you've got your big photo mat in the back there for 6x4 photographs. That goes in there. I love the layers of this. So we pull this out here, a nice little tag to put journaling on, but look, you've got a secret pocket as well. More photos, more memorabilia, choice is yours. But all those lovely layers add interest to your projects. And then finally, the little photo book. You could use this as a standalone piece or add to your project. Again, nice big photographs for putting in here. Nice big photo mats. That's what we want. We want to get those 6x4 photographs in here. That is the way it's got to be. You know, more tags here behind the envelope, and then even in the envelope you've got a little tag card here. More photos can go on the outside. You've got pockets on the inside here for memorabilia, but with the envelope you can add memorabilia, extra photographs if you wish. So that is the photo book. So lots of fantastic projects. If you want to have a look and join the online workshop to do these, I'll leave the link below. The online workshop will allow you to do all of these, but if you don't want to do the online workshop, I've done a little video of these on my website, and the measurements are on my website, not printable off in a PDF, but you can pop over to there and have a look at those. And if you like those, I know you're going to love creating these. I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube and Facebook page, please do so. Bye for now.